Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Vanessa Vocational High School, allow me to extend a warm welcome to you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Afa Inanita, and I'm delighted to be here today to talk to you about tuberculosis. My pers- tuberculosis. My, the purpose of this presentation is to tell about tuberculosis, as well as the drug that can be used to cure it. My presentation will be divided into three parts. First, definition of tuberculosis. Second, the drug use and the direction used. Third, side effects of the drug. Please hold your question until the end of the presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know that tuberculosis? Currently, many people know tuberculosis as lung disease, whereas tuberculosis disease does not only attack for the lungs, but may also attack other parts of the body, including brain, kidney, or spine. Okay, now for the first, I will talk to you about definition of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, bloody cough or hemoptysis, is a cough accompanied by the discharge of blood. The blood expelled can be pink to dark red in color and is usually foamy because it mixes with air and phlegm. The blood release can come from the upper respiratory tract, whereas it is an infection disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis infection. Okay, now I'd like to move on to the medicine use and the direction used for the medicine of tuberculosis disease. Firstly, Santibi Plus. Santibi Plus is a tuberculosis drug that contains ethambutol isoniazid, vitamin B6 in one tablet. Further direction is for treatment 3 tablets 3 times a day. Secondly, Bernopharm ethambutol. Bernopharm ethambutol is tuberculosis drug works by stopping the growth of Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. This drug can be used once a day, ideally after meal. Secondly, Thirdly, Kimia Pharmaceuticals. Kimia Pharmaceuticals is an effective antibiotic for treating tuberculosis. It is can be consumed 1 hour before meal or 2 hours after meal. Fourthly, Rifampicin Bernopharm. Rifampicin Bernopharm is an antibiotic for tuberculosis. This drug is used with at least one other type of tuberculosis drug. This drug can be used 1 hour before meal or 2 hours after meal. On the other hand, every drug before can cause some side effects, such as side effects of Santibi Plus is bleeding ghastly, body feels weak, fever, and seizures. Pernopharm ethambutol side effect is headache, loss of appetite or nausea. Side effects of chemopharmaceuticals is red color of urine, leukopenia, shock, and kidney failure. For the last, side effects of rifampicin bernopharm is rash, inflammation, and fever. Let's sum up the main idea of the presentation today. For the first, tuberculosis is an infection disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis infection. Then the second is the medicine used, such as Santibi Plus, Bernopharm ethambutol, chemopharmaceuticals, and rifampicin bernopharm. However, there are some side effects. One of them is shortness of breath. All this my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.